Today we continue with part 2 of our interview with the Reverend Father Anthony Chang. We will learn more about veganism being the way of the kingdom of God, as well as being closely connected to our environment. The Reverend Father Anthony Chang is a Catholic priest residing in Hong Kong, who is well known for his numerous environmentally conscious undertakings through various groups and organizations. Born in Jamaica in 1941, Father Chang's life journey led him at the age of 6 to his father's homeland, Hong Kong, where he realized his calling to become a priest. The Reverend is a compassionate vegan, believing that the peaceful plant-based diet has a major role in protecting the planet's ecosystem and environment. Thus, for Father Chang, the relationship between faith and environmental protection makes a significant mark in his activities for the community. He is the founder and chairman of the Catholic Messengers of Green Consciousness and the Hong Kong Catholic Vegetarian Association, organizations that aspire to bring about the essential peace among all of God's creations, while the power to do so is still in our hands. After learning the story on what led Father Chang to become vegan for life, he will now tell us about his personal and spiritual benefits from the benevolent diet, as he also points out places in the Holy Scriptures that espouse the plant-based way of living.
以前呢，我就每年呢都會有一兩次感冒嘅，食咗素之後呢就冇嘅，咁個身體係強壯咗咯。咁同埋因為食素呢，會留意動物嘅優點同埋好處。即係呢個就多咗咯，咁就變咗食素係幫我睇返聖經關於呢方面，又幫我睇啲動物啊，欣賞啲動物啊等等，就多咗咯。咁個意識又擴闊咗咯。
And God said, Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, which is upon the face of all the earth, and every tree, in the which is the fruit of a tree yielding seed, to you it shall be for meat. Genesis 1:29, the Holy Bible.
咁講得好徹底嘅呢，就係創世記第1章29節。咁佢就係講淨係食樹上嘅果啊，同埋其他植物，就完全冇提要食肉嘅，獅子都要食素。咁另外一段呢，就係一先知書嘅，咁嗰段就係講即係理想國，獅子同啲羊一齊瞓覺，個細路隻手擺喺蛇窿裏邊都唔怕，即係樣樣和平嘅。頭先講嗰節。同呢個理想國呢係愣住嘅，變咗全素同理想國有呢個方向。嗰個話全素嗰個節呢，佢就係同先知書講關於天國一個理想國，而係啲動物同動物之間都係可以和平相處嘅。即係話如果信仰上嚟睇呢，即係全素同天國有關，咁即係咁。咁但係如果再諗翻現在嘅生態環境問題呢，食肉對身體又唔好，養太多牛、太多動物呢，又對個生態環境唔好，就係身體同環境各方面都有關嘅。全素呢係同天國係有關嘅。講到全素呢，能到天國或者和平世界，咁同埋大家之間嘅和好，同動物嘅和好。
In the encyclical letter of the Holy Father Francis on care for our common home, the Pope reminds the world about the importance and seriousness of the sustainability and repair of the natural environment. Father Chang holds these words as essential for awakening people on this matter. Praise be to you, my Lord, through our sister, Mother Earth, who sustains and governs us, and who produces various fruits with colored flowers and herbs. Saint Francis of Assisi, Canticle of the Sun。
教宗嘅通諭咧，佢都有講嗰個大自然咧，就係好似個母親擁抱住嘅，咁即係咁咯。咁佢又講個大自然咧就好似姊妹咁嘅，呢個姊妹又會另外一個角度啦，即係個姊妹係大家合作嘅，大家共同建設嘅。但係母親嗰個感受咧，就係即係大自然嘅滋養嘅，大自然嘅擁抱嘅，即係愛護嘅，即係咁變咗兩類型嘅感受嚟嘅，同個大自然嘅感受。咁但係呢個好緊要咧，就係變咗就甩咗自己統治，即係人統治個大自然，人擺佈個大自然，人利用個大自然，就呢個要甩晒佢咯。
Among his many noble activities for the benefit of the people and their well-being, Father Chang is inspired to write a book, which would emphasize the ways God has physically provided us with blessings for us to use as support.
而家預備緊咧寫天主一生的祝福與愛，咁其中咧就會講愛咧，會其中一個而家即係呢幾廿年新發現咧，就有種荷爾蒙咧係叫 oxytocin， 咁佢個翻譯咧就係催產素，但係後來佢哋再研究落去，唔係淨係催產咁簡單，即係人與人接觸咁或者夫婦之間嘅接觸咧，即係如果好嘅接觸咧，可以產生即係對對方嘅信任啊，或者感受對方嘅支持啊，可以產生即係愛嘅感受啊，即係等等。咁係由呢個荷爾蒙嚟嘅。咁而家咧就係話天主創造人同埋創造人嘅細胞等等咧，我想帶出咧佢嘅愛都擺咗落去嘅。咁佢嘅愛擺咗落人裏邊同埋世界裏邊咧，咁呢個愛係點咧？咁以前我哋就多數諗係精神上嘅嘢嚟嘅，但係而家如果可以用呢個荷爾蒙嚟去睇咧，根本就唔係淨係精神上，但係物質上裏邊，喺個荷爾蒙裏邊，喺個互動之中一齊咧，咁呢個愛嘅意識或者感受係可以現出嚟嘅，咁就變咗係物質、精神、靈性係混埋一齊嘅。咁其中有另外一個發現，最近嘅發現咧，係有一種即係喺個細胞裏邊咧，有一種嘢叫斷粒。個斷粒就英文叫 telomere。咁細胞分裂發展咧，最後個尾端咧，即係個尾端嗰度咧就會短啲。咁一路短，咁就會係就可以即係一路老化嘅個人。但係如果你係做得係減壓咧，可以對你身體好嘅，可以都幫你恢復嘅。咁然後呢個話短可以長壽，即係如果可以恢復佢長返啲咧，個人長壽啲咯。咁而家喺醫學裏邊開始應用咯。咁而家另一本新書咧叫 Undo It， 係一個醫生嚟嘅，一個研究員，佢咧就話唔係一定要食藥嘅嚟去恢復，同埋咩？佢話4樣嘢，其中一樣咧就係愛，另外一樣就係減壓，另外一樣就係運動，然後另外一樣就係健康飲食。 咁佢都係傾向素食嘅，即係4樣，即係話好多種病，你呢4樣做足咧，可以恢復，唔使食藥。梗係有睇你幾嚴重要幾耐。咁佢有好多研究，同埋佢啲研究係證實係科學性。
Kind viewers, we'll be right back after this constructive message. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Positive viewers, welcome back to Unity and Diversity Through the Vegan Diet. Interview with Father Anthony Chang Loy, Vegan, Part 2 of 3. One of Father Chang's well-known organizations for promoting an ecological awareness is the Catholic Messengers of Green Consciousness. The Reverend elaborates about this project.
偏偏在21世紀好嚴重嘅問題咯，同埋如果我哋而家21世紀減食肉呢，係幫到個環境，但而家越嚟科學就證明呢，對身體係好大影響嘅。咁所以科學信仰聖經可以諗埋，可以配合諗埋嘅。咁有一次我就同一啲青年一齊坐埋，我話我哋要係推行呢啲嘢，但係要有個組織係做呢個推行，咁就綠色傳人，咁然後加前面咧加天主教綠色傳人，即係嗰個名係咁樣起。舊約咧對環境好密切關係嘅，同埋都會啲聖詠咧都會用個大自然嚟讚美天主嘅。咁如果要全面就要愛埋大地，所以我哋加埋愛大地咯，愛主、愛人、愛大地。咁喺90年個和平文告咧，呢個教宗就提到佢有一節咧。佢成個文告係講生態環境嘅，第一次即係教宗有咁全部講。咁佢有提出咧，基督徒係要愛大自然嘅，係要關心大自然嘅，要有責任嘅，要負責嘅，即係有義務嘅。咁但係喺2015年咧，而家呢個教宗咧，佢就出一個更有權威性嘅文件，咁就叫通諭，嗰個叫文告，呢個叫通諭，係最高權威嘅。咁佢呢個咧又係全部講生態環境，咁就然後攞咗90年嗰段嘢咧放咗落去，呢個通諭嘅64節，關於係愛大自然同埋對大地都要有責任同埋義務負責啦。
Excerpt from section 64 in chapter 2, The Gospel of Creation from encyclical letter Laudato Si of the Holy Father Francis on care for our common home. I would like from the outset to show how faith convictions can offer Christians and some other believers as well ample motivation to care for nature and for the most vulnerable of their brothers and sisters. If the simple fact of being human moves people to care for the environment of which they are a part, Christians in their turn realize that their responsibility within creation and their duty towards nature and the Creator are an essential part of their faith. It is good for humanity and for the world at large when we believers better recognize the ecological commitments which stem from our convictions.
咁我就會講話，我喺香港裏邊都攞咗呢段，就好強調咁，即係俾人知道同埋推動咯。我哋喺香港咧就諗住食素嘅，咁都會攞埋129嗰度。
For more information on Father Anthony Chang and his noble work, please visit facebook.com/Catholic Messengers of Green Consciousness and facebook.com/HKCVA. Majestic viewers, We appreciate your company for today's words of wisdom, entitled Unity and Diversity Through the Vegan Diet, interview with Father Anthony Chang Loy, Vegan, Part 2 of 3.